Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know.
Yeah, sing it, Nathan. Scotty doesn't know.
I said, what's the name? Johnny. Johnny doesn't know.
That's why I said Scotty doesn't know.
I said shoddy. I heard shoddy.
That's what you said. You're saying shoddy.
I was saying Johnny.
You said shoddy.
No, Johnny doesn't know. Johnny doesn't know.
Oh, the song will fall out.
No, that's like a movie, I think.
Alright.
I'll take the shot. Now where's Kevin? Everyone.
Harley Davidson, Harley David. Bro, and I just fucking break that. Fuck.
No, Kent.
Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson. Davidson, Harley fucking Davidson.
Hey, Pet Bunny, what are you doing? Snuffles! Snuffles, don't
I
run!
really like Harley Davidson.
You're a sacrifice, Snuffles! I need my sacrifice.
Well, the cat really is, you know, a cat's a Harley Davidson. They just don't know it. No, see, your cat's are Harley Davidsons. My cats are Habusas. They are. Look at your cat. Just look at it for a minute, and you'll know it's a Harley Davidson. The white ones is especially the Harley Davidson.
Scotty doesn't know.
Where's some logs at?
And then we can make eggnog. I'll wake up tomorrow. my.
Jared, what is this off of? Send me a piece of that corn. Send me a piece of that corn for later. What is that off of, Jacob? Jacob.
Big pet's flying away right now. We gotta get us walking.
Well, I don't know what it is, Tyler, but I was trying to think of what it could be. Naturally, bro. Remember where they're fighting and that old lady's out in the crowd eating that piece of corn and he's like, save me a piece of that corn for later.
Oh my god, I remember.
Oh yeah.
Dude, my guy got over like $1,000 in cash on him.
Hiya, hiya. Hiya, hiya.
Oh yeah.
Jim's gonna eat a raw egg. He's gonna get eagle powers. I am a holy man.
We should go to one of the pieces. Skål doesn't. No, Skål doesn't.
Nathan. Harambe is a simple man. Harambe. Todd, who would win? 100 men versus 1 gorilla. Todd, who would win? 100 men versus 1 gorilla. You see that podcast of Mike Tyson and Logan Paul where they're actually pissing Mike Tyson off. They were looking up gorillas. They were looking up gorillas on Google Image. No, I think you started to think that. I think Mike Tyson started thinking they're trying to like say they look like a gorilla because his assistant was like, "Look at that one! Oh my God!" It was like this muscular like gorilla that looked like Pexus. Mike Tyson's like, "What the hell is that even that? What's that supposed to mean?" And they all got all quiet. They all got quiet sitting there like, "What the fuck's that?" And then Logan Paul like switched it up. He was like, "Oh, you ever see that video of Mike Tyson where that dude fights that kangaroo and they pulled in that video where that buff there's like this muscular kangaroo and this dude walks up and like socks it in the mouth. He like punches the kangaroo in the mouth and like runs away. Yeah, his dog. I think in the video, I think it's like holding his dog, and the dude just like runs, like sprints over, and like punches the kangaroo in the face. It's holding his dog, and the kangaroo lets go of his dog. But man, Mike Tyson was getting pissed, bro. Everyone got all quiet when he was like, "What the fuck's that supposed to mean?" He's like, "What the fuck's that?" Funny as hell. What the fuck's that supposed to mean, guys? I think he was actually about to walk off the podcast. He was getting mad. They pulled out. I think there's like towards the end. I think they like pulled out like a pigeon. He said it was a cheap pigeon. He said they did it on purpose. That pissed him off though. He pulled out a pigeon saying it was like a rare pigeon, and Mike Tyson like examined it, looked at the feathers and shit. He's like, this is cheap. And he's like, this ain't no expensive pigeon. Yeah, certain ones are like bred to be a certain way, I think.
Mike Tyson used to be a bird collector.
He is. He has like over 100 pigeons. He likes animals. Thousands. He's talking about getting a cheetah. He had 2 tigers at one point. Now he's talking about getting a cheetah. He said if his wife allows it.
One to the tiger.
They were just too high maintenance. He said that when he owned them, he said every time he traveled, he had to buy an actual semi-trailer, and he actually had to actually had to transport them state to state whenever he traveled because they couldn't be left alone. Like he always had to be with them. He had to sleep in the same bed with them. Like you always got to be with them because you're basically part of their pack. If you're with them, you're basically, if you get 2 tigers, you're basically like a part of their pack. It's like a little pack basically, and he was part of their pack. And he said that it was like his family basically, and he had to get rid of them because it was too much, like high maintenance. Then he was like, I think he got in trouble. I looked it up too, dude. He got in trouble. I think one tried to like kill his neighbor. One like tried to get a hold of like bite his neighbor or something. And there was like threats. They were like threatening to take him away from him and shit. But I think he just sold him.
Wait. Oh, your ass ain't no dancing.
You see that video where 50 Cent spent a bunch of money. Speaking of 50 Cent, you see that video where he got pissed off at that bar? His dude just randomly videoing him. I guess 50 Cent got mad at like the waitresses or something, so he started picking up chairs. He started picking up chairs and like randomly throwing them out in the streets and shit. This dude like pulled his phone out and started videoing it. And you always see his 50 Cent like raging. He see like his muscular arms like picking up chairs and like fucking throwing them, chucking them across the street and shit. Cause he get mad at the waitress. Dude, he's weird. Did you see the video of when he filed bankruptcy the first time, they gave him a shit ton of money, right? And he took a picture of himself sitting on a chair, a throne made out of money. And he posted it on Twitter. Right, yeah, he posted it on Twitter. And then he got sued by the government. And the government took him to court and they're like, you just filed bankruptcy and yet here you are sitting on a chair made of money. And he was like, oh, if you want to get technical, that's all the money out of my bank that I got after I filed bankruptcy. And he was like, that's every bit of it. I put it all back if you want to look at my statements. Remember that guy at the Cincinnati airport? He made fun of that handicapped dude. He like videoed him. He's like, what the fuck do you think this dude took when he walked in here in the morning? He's like, just look at this. You see in the video? He actually was like handicapped, dude. He was a janitor. He was like doing his job at the airport like 2 in the morning, and 50 Cent just got off a flight, or he was getting on a flight, and he was recording that dude as he was walking with him. He's like, yeah. He's like, what the fuck do you think this dude took when he came in this morning? He apologized for it, I think. He like got on there because it was on the news, so he apologized, and I think he gave him a bunch of money, I think. Yeah, I think he gave him like a couple $1,000, but still like 25 grand. It was like fucked up.
There goes the fire. I thought Kevin was dead.
Jacob, you know it's coming out. I don't think it's gonna be a flop. It's actually gonna ruin the series. There's supposed to be another Reddit coming out where it's about his homeworld or something like that. No, that's what they need to make. They need to make one that's about. They are. No, they are. Look at Vin Diesel's page on Instagram, dude. That's all it's about. It's about it's called Riddick. Here, I'm about to look it up. So when they first announced that 2013 one, they said it was supposed to be about his homeworld. Then it came out. It had nothing to do with it, so it flopped. It was horrible. Everyone hated it. Riddick, it's called this. Jay, look, the upcoming Riddick movie is titled Riddick Fura. It is scheduled for release in 2025. Yeah, it'll be good, dude. I'll watch it. What's Fura? Is that his homeworld? Fura? Furia. Is that his homeworld, Jacob? Furia. Oh yeah, it says right here in the story. Riddick returns to his home planet Fura, which he barely remembers. He finds other Furians fighting for survival against new monsters.
I just killed Kevin. I just killed Kevin.
Oh, shit. Kevin's dead?
I killed him on accident.
Oh shit.
When he was down, I hit him with the sword and he died.
You can't bring him back?
Nope, he's dead. He's permanently dead.
He was useless anyways.
No, he's pretty useful.
Was he getting wood for us?
Yeah, before he stopped doing it, he was getting a shit ton of wood for us. I actually killed him.
More coming, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, the way he walks, dude, I did not like that. That was freaky as fuck. The way that dude walked, bro, was freaky. I did not like that. It actually made my hair stick on my body.
What was he doing?
He like had this weird paranormal walk, the way he was walking towards me, bro, and I did not like that.
Oh,
Like,
Kevin!
oh my god.
Yeah, Kevin's dead. He's right here dead.
No,
Should we burn his body for honor?
save it or should we not save it?
I have no clue.
Don't save it. I don't think we should save it. Oh, we'll lose all of our shit though. We'll lose all of our shit though.
Right.
Bro, I don't know.
I say we
That's
save
a hard call. Yeah.
That's what it is.
Kevin, it was an honor, buddy.
Maybe he'll wake back up or something like that. I have no clue. 'Cause we can't do anything to his body.
I think it's moving.
I think he's just passed out. I don't think we can. Because he's on the map. I don't think he's.
His
killed.
light's on. His light's on.
Well, yeah, I don't know. I killed him though on accident. He was down. I was getting ready to heal him, and I hit him.
Oh wait, move guys, I got an idea.
What?
Oh, he's dead, bro. He's dead. He's dead.
No, let's try to go on to bed and saving and see what happens.
Trigger shot me like he's dead.
Let's try to go on to bed and see what happens. Maybe he'll wake
Hey
up.
guys. Oh, wait. Be sure.
Cut his arm off.
No, like, see, look up if you can kill him. I don't think he can
If
die.
he can cut his arm off, he's dead.
See.
We can't mess with his body. You can't do anything to him. I think he wakes up tomorrow. Alright, let's save. Everybody save.
I mean that. Yeah, let's just save.
Let's
Let's
all
just
go to bed, yeah. Maybe he'll just wake up in the morning so shit like that. He'll be there.
Alright.
No, he's dead.
Oh, he's dead. He's done.
Fucking dead, dog.
His blood all from us.
He ain't being dumb.
I'll beat the shit out of him on accident, yeah.
That's Kevin. It's Kevin's fault, everyone. It's Kevin. Kevin, why did you have to do that? Why did you die on us?
He's trying to help me too.
Why? We got the trick with the gun at least.
Wait, let me look up if you can revive him.
Wait, ain't there another follower you can get?
No.
Oh, there are only two.
It's wild.
I'm gonna have to look it up now. You can use mods and admin panel.
How do I pull up admin on this one?
I have no clue.
Here, I'll look it up.
You can mod.
Of the forest.
Okay, let me just split screen this using the fancy Opera browser. Yeah, let's just buy both. Link below to download it for free.
This pan is proven to.
Oh yeah, I didn't need to kill him. I'm
Over
gonna revive
90,000
him.
of
He
our
died.
pans can be found delivering.
If Kelvin or Virginia fully die and you want them back in your game without having to start a completely new world, here's how. So on your desktop, hit Windows R and type in app data. Then hit OK. Now go to local low. Go down till you find End Night. Open that up. Then Sons of the Forest. Then Saves. Then this folder with all the numbers. Then you're going to select multiplayer or single player, whichever one applies to you here. Then you're going to want to find the world you're doing this for. And before we do this, let's just create a backup of this folder in case you accidentally do something wrong. So you can just right click on the folder and hit copy. And you can just go ahead and paste that on your desktop. Alright, so now that we have a backup, we're going to want to go into this folder. Now go down to game state save data.json, right click on it, go to open with, and select notepad. Now before we do anything in the notepad, I recommend going up to format and turn.
I knocked his ass down on accident. I saw him on the ground. I was getting ready to heal him. I hit him. No! I didn't mean to eat that arm.
Wait, what happened to Jacob? His mic died?
No.
No, I'm doing it.
What, was that a cheat you're trying to do, Jacob?
Oh, no.
What? You can do cheats in the game?
You know what to do.
How did you cheat?
You gotta be the host to use a fresh up one.
On your walkie-talkie.
Oh, come on.
Wait, what does God mode do?
Player hit log, debug player melee, debug mode,
Oh, you're trying to bring him back to life?
Yeah.
player, or would it be net spawn player?
Net player.
Or do you think it would be heal local player?
It's the final countdown. No, 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 no.